Hello, student. After the discussion of 1D, 2D, and 3D close packing, we are going to our next topic, packing efficiency. What is packing efficiency? The percentage of total space occupied by the particles, known as packing efficiency, where particles means atoms, molecules, or ions. Ions means for cations or anions. It means the maximum area occupied by atoms, molecules, or ions is called packing efficiency. Packing efficiency we can find out by a formula is volume of sphere upon volume of unit cell. It is a percentage, therefore multiply by 100. That is clear. The packing efficiency is equals to volume of spheres upon spheres means atoms, molecules, or ion, upon volume of unit cell multiply by 100. First of all, we are going to calculate our first packing efficiency, simple cubic unit cell. It is also known as primitive cubic unit cell. In figure, we can see that there are 8 spheres and the edge length between the two sphere is A. There are A and V are sphere and edge length is small, denoted by small a. But actual evidence say that the two spheres are close to each other. Therefore, the radius is 2r. Then the edge length is equals to 2r. We know that volume of cube is equals to a cube. The value of a put in a cube. 2r cube is equals to 8r cube. Eight r cube. The total number of spheres present in simple cubic unit cell 1. This is because there are 8 electron and 1 upon 8th part contribute. Therefore, the simple unit cell have only 1 atoms or sphere. Volume of sphere calculate by a formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. There are only 1 sphere, therefore the volume of 1 sphere is 1 multiply 4 by 3 pi r cube is equals to 4 by 3 pi r cube. The volume of cube and volume of sphere put in packing efficiency formula. Packing efficiency is volume of sphere upon volume of unit cell. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube and volume of unit cell is 8 r cube multiply by 100. After the calculation, we find out there are 52.4% volume occupied. It means in a simple cube unit cell have occupied 52.4% and rest of area is we can calculate by 100 minus 52.4. It is 47.6% unoccupied area and 52.4% is occupied in simple cubic arrangement. Now we can calculate the packing efficiency of BCC. In BCC have 8 spare at the corner and 1 spare at the center of the cube. In the figure there are A and D. Between the AD have 1 spare present at the center of the cube. The A's length of the spare is A. There are in bodies BCC have nearest spare is A and D. They form a right angle. ACD. Right angle is ACD. There we can calculate the first of all one right angle ABC. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB is A's length is A square plus A square, AC square, then AC square have 2A square. Similarly, another right angle is ACD. We can calculate the value of ACD. AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. AC square we have also calculated. Then 2A square plus A square is equal to 3A square. Then AD is equal to root 3A. But actual evidence say that there are 3 spare A to D. A, D and center of the cube. Center of the cube. There are 1R, 2R and R. Therefore, it is 4R. Then AD is equal to 4R. Root 3A is equal to 4R. A is equal to 4R by root 3. Volume of unit cell, we know that A cube. These value put in A. Find out that 64R cube upon 3 root 3. Volume of sphere, we know that we can calculate by formula 4 by 3 pi r cube. But in BCC have 2 atoms. BCC have 2 atoms. One at the corner and one are center of the cube. The total volume of spheres is equal to 2 multiplied by 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to 8 by 3 pi r cube. These value put in the formula of packing efficiency and we find out that it occupied about 68%. 68%. Rest of 32% are unoccupied area. It means it is more rigid than simple unit cell. It is more area occupied when compared to simple unit cell. That's clear. These are the packing efficiency of simple and body center. And our next video we discuss our packing efficiency of FCC or CCP or SCP. That's clear. And also we discuss about the radius ratio of cation and anion. Right. Thank you.